Have you ever felt like life is too hard? Have you ever wanted to stop trying? Today, you will meet a man named Sam. He lost everything. He had no hope. But one small moment changed his life forever. Listen carefully to this story and improve your English. Welcome back to English Speakcast. I am your teacher, and I am here to help you speak English naturally. Today, we have a very special, emotional story. It is simple, clear, and perfect for beginners. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin. Sam lived in a very small apartment. It was dark. The walls were gray. Sam was 30 years old, but he felt very old. He did not have a job. He did not have money. Every morning, Sam woke up at 7 a.m. He looked at the ceiling. "What is the point?" he whispered. He was a painter, but he did not paint anymore. His brushes were dry, his colors were dusty. He was tired of being poor. He was tired of being alone. One Tuesday, Sam looked at his bank account. $2.50. That was all he had. "I give up," Sam said. He felt a tear on his face. "I cannot do this anymore." He put on his old coat. He decided to walk to the park one last time. He wanted to say goodbye to the city. The wind was cold, the sky was cloudy. People were walking fast. Nobody looked at Sam. He felt invisible. Sam sat on a wooden bench. Near the bench there was a little girl. She had curly hair and a bright yellow jacket. She was holding a small blue notebook. She looked at Sam. "Hello," the girl said. Sam looked down. "Hello." "Why are you sad?" she asked. Sam sighed. "I am just tired, little girl." "My name is Lily," she said, "and when I am tired, I draw. Do you want to see?" Lily opened her blue notebook. Inside, there were drawings of flowers, cats, and the sun. They were simple, but they were full of color. "Lily, do you like my sun?" "Sam, it is very bright." "I like it." "Lily, my mom says the sun is always there, even when the clouds cover it. You just have to wait." Sam looked at the clouds. He thought about his life. Sam, "What if the clouds don't go away, Lily?" "Lily, then you paint your own sun. Here, take this." Lily tore a page from her notebook. It was a drawing of a giant smiling sun. She gave it to Sam. "Lily, keep it. It will help you." Sam, "Thank you, Lily. I used to paint too." Lily, "Then go home and paint. The world is too gray today. It needs your colors." Sam walked home. He held the yellow drawing tightly. He didn't feel invisible anymore. He felt a small fire in his heart. He opened his door. He didn't turn on the light. He went to his old desk. He grabbed a brush. He didn't have expensive paint, but he had a little bit of blue and yellow left. He painted. He painted all night. He didn't think about money. He didn't think about his empty fridge. He thought about Lily's smile. He thought about the sun behind the clouds. The next day, Sam took his new painting to the street. He stood on the corner. A woman stopped. She was wearing a professional suit. She looked at the painting. It was a picture of a gray city, but in the middle, there was a bright yellow sun. Woman, "How much is this?" Sam, I don't know." Woman, it is beautiful. It makes me feel happy. I will give you $100 for it. Sam's heart jumped. $100? Yes, he said, thank you. With that $100, Sam bought more paint. He bought a warm meal. But most importantly, he bought a new blue notebook. He went back to the park every day. He looked for Lily, but he never saw her again. Some people say she was an angel. Sam didn't know. He only knew that she saved him. Today, Sam is a famous artist. His paintings are in big galleries. But in his office, he has one small, wrinkled piece of paper in a gold frame. It is a drawing of a smiling sun. He never gave up again. Learn these phrases to use in your daily life. What is the point? Used when you feel discouraged or bored. I give up. Used when a task is too difficult. I'm just tired. A common answer when someone asks you how you are. Keep it. Used when you give a gift to someone. My heart jumped. Used when you are very excited or surprised. What if? Used to ask about a possibility or a worry. Try to answer these questions out loud.
Why was Sam sad at the beginning of the story? What did Lily give to Sam? Do you like to draw or paint? Why or why not? What do you do when you feel tired or sad? Have you ever helped a stranger? What happened? Thank you for watching English Speakcast. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe. Your homework. Write one sentence in the comments using the phrase, I will not give up. Would you like me to create a vocabulary list with definitions for the difficult words in this story?